Ever received messy text, exported data, or XML from a website and wished Excel could extract the values automatically? FILTERXML does exactly that, and it's far more powerful than most people realize. This is a simple XML snippet. But in real workflows, this could come from an API, a web service, a government database, or a software export. XML is everywhere, and Excel can read it natively. Let's extract the country name. XPath works like a search instruction. /name means find the element called name anywhere in the XML. FILTERXML returns the value inside that tag, in this case the country name. You can also extract multiple elements at once. Here, country * means, inside the less than country greater than node, return all related elements. This gives us name, year, GDP and population, all at once, in a clean vertical array. You can also extract a specific indicator. This is where FILTERXML becomes practical. If your XML contains dozens of indicators, you can pull out exactly the one you need with a single XPath expression. We got the GDP with this formula. Now let's extract the value for the population. FILTERXML is incredibly useful when working with API responses, web service outputs, government or statistical XML feeds, software exports, or any structured text embedded in a single cell. It turns unstructured or semi-structured text into clean, usable variables. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.